love this card. So pretty. It flips up. Very easy to make, but oh my goodness, such a wonderful presentation. And we are going to use the DSP from Beauty of the Earth DSP. That is so beautiful. We have this back piece mat, and the first thing we need to do is go ahead and center this on the mat just like this, and we're going to glue it down on the back. So we're going to put some glue and just get that glued down. And make sure that we have it lined up right, and just fold it over and glue that back panel down. And you know what really makes this pop is we are going to dry emboss these side panels, and it just becomes so beautiful. Now, we always like to put a lot of mats on our cards, and so we are going to just glue this one down too. And I think using DSP is just so nice. Don't you? Doesn't it make making cards fast but yet so beautiful? And look at this gorgeous DSP. Isn't that beautiful? We absolutely love this. We bought several packets of this because it is so beautiful. So we are simply going to lay this down, and then we are going to do our side panels. Now we already have our dry embossing picked out, so we're going to bring in our little machine and look at the folder we're going to use. Can you see that? It's those leaves. So pretty. We're just going to put in our strips, line it up straight, and run it through the machine. Look how beautiful that is. Bring in our card. Now we have to put this down because we have to have an area to write on, right? Our sentiment. So let's go ahead and glue that down right in the center. Okay. And now we are going to lay down our side strips with our glue. And you know, this is a very simple card to make. You can use any DSP that you want. So now look at that. Very fast, very easy. And now I went ahead, just to save some time, stamped this already and double matted it, as you can see. So pretty. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to set that up on some dimensionals, and let's see what this looks like. It is so pretty and just very different, and I will show you that other card in just a moment so you can kind of compare the two and look how very different they are. I'm just going to set this over to the side, and now look at that. You write your sentiment right here. Very, very easy. This is a perfect card for ones that you have to make a lot of. Maybe you have a team. This would be very quick. And just imagine this with some Christmas DSP. And here's the one we had done before. Very easy. Have a great night. Remember, go out, be kind to yourself and others, and be creative in your crafting. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye, guys.